bOcO, is that you? Yes, it is, Wilbert. What are you doing here? Oh, I just got news that there was a bombing. Yes, I know. Wilbert, what do you think we should do? I don't know. You two, you can keep talking, because I need to get Wilbert's coaches in place. Well, I have all this big stack of hay. Don't know what I'm going to do with it, Wilbert. I was supposed to take it to the docks. Okay, Wilbert, let's go put your coaches in the siding. Be slow about it. Can we go a little faster about it? How about no? Gah. Can we turn now? I can't believe this is happening. Oh. I hope I haven't lost any friends. Ah, great. That has to happen. Is anything do good on this island? No. Specs, the rail has been damaged. Yep, I guess this will be here. Dang. Well, it's nothing to fuss about. Let's uncouple you from the train. Okay. Hey, well, how about you get in front of me and I'll push you? Yeah, I'm almost out of coal anyway. Okay. Well, you ready? Of course I am. Wilbert tried to pull forward. Dang it. I am out of cold water. Do you think you could take me? Of course I could. Thank you, bOcO. Yeah, I'm not going anywhere. Come on, I'm doing it. Oh, do you think you could do this, bOcO? Yeah, you've asked me that for like the third time. I can do that. I'll get you to Lower Sentry. How's that sound? Yeah, we can camp there for the day until it turns night. Okay. Ready, bOcO? Of course I'm ready. bOcO pushed the flatbed and Wilbert with him. Wilbert wasn't hesitant that he was getting help. He was actually pretty happy about it. And while they were getting switched onto Lower Suttery, they heard a giant bomb explosion. What was that? It was one of the bombs. Come on, we gotta get going. They all whistled their horns as bOcO furiously hit the flatbed, and then there was trouble. Wood from the tree fell onto it and fell onto the hay, and the hay went flying off. Oh dear! What are we going to do now? We have no more hay. We gotta continue anyway. Why are we? You were rhyming right there, Wilbert. No, I wasn't. Come on, we need to go. Trevor, it's you. Hello, guys. Do you want to play a game? Oh, God, go. bOcO hit the cart furiously again. More logs fell onto the flatbed, almost derailing it. Come on. We're almost there. But do you have your brakes on or something, Wilbert? Why would I have my brakes on? You need to stop drinking so much water. What is that supposed to mean? I don't drink water, so it can't be me, said bOcO. What are we going to do? I don't know. There's gotta be a way to get off this island somehow. Aha! Now I know. What? What do you know? I know that Salty could still be alive, but I have been hearing chaos on the docks. I don't know about Fergus, so Fergus has been at the clay pits for quite a while now. Well, stop fussing about and come on. We need to stay right here. You got that? bOcO, you're not making any sense. I know I'm not. Well, I'm going to close my eyes and go to sleep. A weird engine slithered up. What in the? Said bOcO. What is? More logs tumbled. What the? It bumped into a cart furiously for no reason.